Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, YouTube. So this video today is going to be in regards to the U.S. government. I'm going to show a little bit I'm gonna tell you actually about a little bit about what's happening. Keep you updated. So recently, I got a letter from the FTC regarding an investigation of not the sheriff's department, the Superior Court, the illegal bond that was accessed in my name using the corporation, which I am a stockholder in, and a beneficiary equitable title holder in, which means I have equitable I have interest in the matter. In that corporation and what's going on with it, but I don't own it. I only own and hold stock in it. That entity, Elijah Dominguez, is actually would be considered a state by law. When I registered it as the state of Elijah Anthony Dominguez, which is the name of the country, and it was registered under 28 U.S.C. 3002, subsection 15A. Now, I also attached an article of incorporation with it and several other things when I created the business. Now, that created an entity, a state. That's where the word state comes from. A state was broken down and became state, which I am now a foreign state. First off, remember that I'm a foreign state because I'm not part of the union. I could be, if I wanted to become part of the United States, but then the state would lose its anonymity, first off. Second, it would lose its right to diplomatic immunity. I have applied for diplomatic immunity, but I do not want to be an American diplomat. I created the state using the laws created through an organic act. I created a entity that could be sued and be sued by and sue, which was created with the 1871 Washington, D.C. It was also created with the state of California and basically all the 50 states that are in the states. Remember states, because I remember that the military dictator George Washington. Please be advised that this took a lot of research, years and years of research. I got this beard just doing years of research. That's not actually true. I was just kidding, but yeah, it took a lot of years of research, and I finally have found enough information and gathered enough information to where I could actually create my own country. So I created my own country, which is Elijah Dominguez. Now, it just so happens that the person being sued is Elijah Dominguez. Now, remember, unless I tell them my name is Elijah Dominguez, they don't know who I am. Who are you? Who do you represent? Why are you here? These are questions you should be asking the judge. Why am I here? What is my purpose here? What do you want? Remember, that's always what they ask. Who, what, when, where, and why. Who are you? What's your name? Why are you here? What's your involvement? Who are you in this matter? remember there's a difference between attorney at law and attorney in law. Remember, when I'm an attorney at law, I'm just viewing. I'm at the event, but I'm not actually I'm not attending the event. I'm just viewing. And then in is completely different. I'm involved. I'm in the middle of it. These are